With just a few clicks, you can convert, edit, sign, and manage PDFs like a pro, all without downloading a single app. Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're diving into Zendocs, a powerful web-based platform that turns PDF headaches into seamless workflows. Whether you're converting files for a client, editing contracts, or merging reports, Zendocs delivers professional-grade tools right in your browser. What is Zendocs? Zendocs is a 100% browser-based PDF suite that lets you convert, edit, sign, and manage documents with precision. Designed for individuals and teams, it eliminates the need for clunky software installations. From converting PDFs to Word, Excel, or image formats to editing text, rearranging pages, and adding signatures, Zendocs handles it all securely and efficiently. How Zendocs works. Zendocs combines simplicity with power through 3 core steps. Upload, drag, and drop files into the browser. Edit, convert. Use intuitive tools to modify text, images, or convert files. Export high-resolution results in formats like PNG, SVG, or EPS. All files are protected with HTTPS encryption, and batch processing lets you tackle large projects in seconds. Price: 7-day trial. Start for just 99 cents to test all features. Subscription: after the trial, continue with a $49.99 per month plan. No hidden fees, no software costs, just professional tools at your fingertips. How to use Zendocs tutorial. The steps are pretty simple. First, you have to pick what you want to convert. In the upper screen, move the mouse to the convert button and pick what you need to convert. I chose to convert Word document into a PDF. Now all you have to do is drag the file and put it into the website. Now Zendocs will do the magic. After a few seconds, the file is ready. You can review the file if you want. And that's it. Super easy. That's Zendocs, your all-in-one PDF solution. If you're tired of juggling multiple apps, this tool is a game changer. Drop your questions below and I'll tackle them in a follow-up video. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews of tools that boost productivity. Thanks for watching.